Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,661. The windward cliff where rallies meet head-on swells. Value area low, VAL, 6,642. The leeward shoal where bids drop anchor. Point of control, POC, 6651. The Cayman Harbor where most trade ships circled. Support zone, 663, 8 to 6643. Sturdy timbers likely to absorb first volleys. Resistance zone, 6,661 to 6,667. A fortified battery. Expect counterfire on first test. Single prints. Escape paths. Lower, 6,632 to 6,634. A narrow strait where currents can rip fast. Upper, 6,665 to 6,667. A gap in the reef that can launch a quick breakout. Market context. 3-day voyage recap. Extended trading hours. November 20th, POC 6559. VAL 6534. VA H6584. Value advanced off recent lows. Bulls patch the sales. November 21st, POC 6607. VAL 6607. VAH 6650. Value pushed higher. A steady tack with favorable wind. November 23rd, POC 6651. VAL 6642. VAH 6661. Balance just under recent highs. A staging area before the next broadside. Value has marched higher over 3 sessions and is now bouncing below VAH. Acceptance above 6,661 turns the fleet with the tide. Failure through 6,642 risks a rotation to lower waters near 6,632 to 6,634. Volume analysis. Cumulative, volume delta, CVD, breakdown, session open, CVD, 1,504 contracts. Intraday peak, buying CVD, 9,385. Current CVD, 9,385. Intraday low, CVD, negative 2,116. Interpretation. Buyers seized the quarter deck and kept control into the close. Any assault on 6,661 requires fresh powder, but bears will need more than skirmish fire to dislodge this many boarding parties. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone. Pullbacks into 6,640 to 6,644, or acceptance above 6,600 to 61. Stop loss. Below 6,638 for pullback entries, or below 6,654 for breakout entries. Profit targets. First at 6,651, then 6,667. Stretch 6,674 if momentum holds. Short trades. Entry zone. Rejection wicks at 6,661 to 6,667, or a clean break below 6,600 to 42. Stop loss. Above 6,668 on fades, or above 6,648 on breakdown retests. Profit targets. First at 6,651, then 6,643. Stretch 6,634 into the lower escape path. Position sizing. Risk 1 to 2% per idea, normalized by stop distance. After first target, trail to last, defended level to avoid getting keel-hauled by reversals. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, break and sale above. VAH. Trigger, acceptance above 6,661 with time and volume. Setup, long on hold above 6,661. Stop 6,654. Target 6,667, then 6,674. Rationale, rotation out of balance. Use upper escape path 6665 to 6667 for momentum. Scenario B, cannon smoke rejection at the battery. Trigger, failed auction in 6661 to 6667. Setup, short on the first lower high. Stop 6,668. Target 6,651, then 6,643. Rationale, responsive sellers repulse the boarding party back to the harbor. Scenario C, drop below the shoal. Trigger, decisive break under 6,642 with no swift reclaim. Setup, short on retest of 6,642 to 6,644. Stop 6,648. Target 6,634, then 6,000 to 628 if currents strengthen. Rationale, value migration lower, ride the tide through the lower strait. Scenario D, harbor bounce. Trigger, dip into 6,638 to 6,643 finds firm bids. Setup, long 6,640 to 6,643. Stop 6,636. Target 6,651, then 6,661. Rationale, buyers defend the leeward shoal and row back to the battery. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.